Grow your wealth, how to make money in real estate through gardening. Introduction. Real estate is a lucrative investment avenue, but did you know that you can enhance your returns by incorporating gardening into your property management strategy? Gardening can not only boost the aesthetic appeal of your real estate but also provide additional income streams. In this article, we'll explore various ways to make money in real estate through gardening. Curb appeal and property value. Gardening can significantly enhance the curb appeal of your real estate property. A well-maintained garden with lush greenery, colorful flowers, and neatly trimmed lawns can make your property more attractive to potential buyers or renters. As a result, your property's value may increase, allowing you to command higher rental or selling prices. Renting garden spaces. If your real estate property has a spacious garden, you can rent out portions of it to local gardeners or community members. This can be an excellent source of additional income, as garden enthusiasts are often willing to pay for access to garden space where they can grow their own plants, vegetables, or flowers. By dividing your garden into rentable plots, you can create a steady stream of passive income. Hosting gardening workshops. If you have a green thumb and a knack for gardening, consider hosting gardening workshops or classes on your property. These classes can attract gardening enthusiasts who are willing to pay for expert guidance. You can cover various topics, such as organic gardening, landscaping, or even horticultural therapy. Not only does this generate income, but it also increases foot traffic to your property. Selling homegrown produce. Another way to make money through gardening on your real estate property is by selling homegrown produce. You can cultivate fruits, vegetables, herbs, or even flowers and set up a small market stand or establish a subscription-based service for local residents. Selling fresh, locally grown produce can be a profitable venture and contribute to your property's reputation within the community. Renting garden event space. Consider turning your garden into an event space for weddings, parties, or corporate gatherings. Beautifully landscaped gardens can serve as a picturesque backdrop for various events, making them a sought-after venue choice. Renting your garden for events can generate substantial income, especially during peak seasons for outdoor celebrations. Offering garden retreats. Transforming a portion of your property into a garden retreat can be a unique way to monetize your real estate. You can create cozy cabins or glamping accommodations surrounded by lush gardens. People looking for a peaceful getaway will pay a premium for such an experience, allowing you to earn passive income while providing a relaxing escape. Conclusion. Gardening can be a profitable addition to your real estate investment strategy, enhancing both the aesthetic appeal and income potential of your property. Whether you choose to increase property value, rent garden spaces, host workshops, sell produce, rent garden event space, or offer garden retreats, integrating gardening into your real estate portfolio can be a fruitful endeavor. So, roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and watch your real estate investment bloom into a thriving source of income through the power of gardening.